up guys? So welcome back to Darkest Nightmare Haunt. Today is just a little quick update and I just wanted to show you the window that I've been referencing in the build vlogs. You might have seen in the last episode I kind of referenced it, but it is finally complete. You saw that in the intro. This is how it looks in the inside and I'm really happy with it. Threw this up last night and yeah, it looks awesome. And apparently I forgot to turn on the video, so it's static right now. But I'm gonna show you how we actually got this to work. I know right now it kind of looks a little bit lopsided. That's because it actually is. It's not pressed up fully to the glass. But when the lights are off, it looks really cool. Especially from back here, if you're just entering into the haunt, you're gonna see that. It's gonna look awesome. Now the glow of the LCD on the TV is it's kind of bright, but I like it. It does give a little bit of like a blue glow on this wall. I don't know. It's just something that I'm gonna probably have to deal with. So anyways, let's go see how it works. Okay, so this is what it looks like behind the wall. As you can see, what I did for the TV is put it on this shelf, and then I took out the top shelf, lowered it all the way down here. That's like the perfect height for the window, and then as you can see, this window is actually like a real decoration. It's real glass. I don't actually know what it is. It's just some home decor thing. And that's pressed up against the plastic, and then we have it taped here to the rails on the shelf. Yeah. And then what we have controlling this is this laptop. Like I said, it is an AtmosFX video, or AtmosFX. Yeah, pretty well known with Halloween digital effects. And yeah, this is just how it looks. Really happy with it. Like I said, just a quick update. So yeah, that's about it. The next build vlog will come out in the next couple of days because I got to get things done. But that's all I wanted to show you for this episode. So anyways guys, I'll catch you in the next video.